Cutter unboxing, and this I just got, literally, I just got in the mail today from Coach. So let's open it and see what we have. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I ordered this. It's got like, it kind of feels like a suede, but it's like a cloth. Yeah, and it's red. Let me grab my trusty box cutter. Does it have a description on here? It's so tiny. How can you read it if it does? Made in Vietnam. Retail price $128. Jeez Louise. It has a little Coach. And then here, you can use this to put on your bag, or you could put a key ring on here as well. Oh. Oh yeah, this is cute. This is cute. I wonder if this is for like your, if you could put your AirPods in here. It has a little Coach tag here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty flexible. I think if you put change in here, you could probably lose it off the side here. So I'm not exactly sure of what one would use this for. But I'm gonna look online and see what the description was again. Yeah, it's cute though. I really like these. So you can just clip it on easy or something. You probably could put a ID or credit card or something in here, or maybe even like your work ID to have it easy accessible. And this snap seems like it's pretty sturdy where it'll stay. Okay, and then I have a box here. Now this box, I think DJ King made me do this one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is some of her stuff made me. Oh, look how it opens up. It's cute. Yeah, that's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, here. Oh my goodness. Thank you for shopping at Coach. Oh, and this is just tissue paper. Oh, look at that. And then I'm assuming that this is the receipt. Yeah, that's the receipt. Oh, look at that. It looks like a pool or something. What a cute box. Okay. Coach, New York. Leather notebook. I think I spent too much on this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this. $70. But let's open it and see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Yeah, she had on her page that she had the CC one, and when I went to look on the outlet page, they didn't have the CC one available. It has back here original natural leather. You must admit the pink is pretty cute. And then it has this little twist. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. It actually twists and works. Look in the inside. It's cold. It's cold outside. It has this. I'm gonna decide if I really want this. Now I think I see it just has line papers, and it's got the cover. It's wrapped really good. The traditions in leather. So it's a notebook with the ring binder. Oh yeah, they did a really good job on this. Look at this. Made in India. Made in India. Oh, it's such fine. I was thinking, now that I know it has rings, I could probably use this as my calendar. And then it has Coach here. The Coach serial number. So nice. So, wow, this is really darling, beautiful. I like that it locks. It seems like there's room to spread too. So, wow, this is really cute. Tell me what you guys think about it. Oh, it's so nice and soft. It's so supple. And it's, well, it's like, you know how they do the ends. It has Coach right here on the back. And it's gold stamped. Probably could get my name put on it, gold stamped. Oh, the pink is so adorable. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, I could probably order a calendar this same size and use it as a calendar with extra notes and stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm getting fancy, but you know, I've always journaled ever since I was young. I think I have journals from like 18, 19 is when I really started journaling a lot, writing down my thoughts. And so I have lots of books, but they were, some of them are actually leather, and I've always kept a paper calendar. So I think it's a great investment for myself, actually. But let's see, I did order one from the outlet, so we'll see. The one that came. All right, I have a package from Coach. Let's see what we got. What was it? Just one thing in there. And this is Khaki. Okay. Oh, look at this. Isn't she lovely? Oh, look at this. And here's a little tag. No, you can't see that probably. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, cute.